This lesson is about the 5 senses that we have. So I'm going to go over them in English, and then in Spanish. We have the sense of taste, sense of touch, sense of sight, sense of smell, and sense of hearing. You have to put an ing at the end. I don't know why, but it's one of those that's different from the rest. Okay, so on this side, we have sense of smell, so that's what I just said. Sense of smell, sense of sight, sense of taste, sense of hearing, and sense of touch. En español, esta es el sentido de el olfato, sentido de la vista, sentido del gusto, sentido del oído y sentido del tacto. On this next part, we're going to match the words, and the pictures. First one, I don't know if you want to stop and try to match them before I give the answers. No sé si quieren parar el video y tratar de hacerlo antes de que dé las respuestas. Hearing is this one. Smelling is this one. Touching, this one. Tasting, this one. Seeing, this one. Y cuando digo this one, no estoy diciendo este. Ok, voy a decir las palabras primero, pronunciándolas en inglés y luego voy a decir lo que es en español. Y cuando las digo, pueden buscar dónde lo está demostrando en la foto. I'm going to read them in English, then I'm going to say them in Spanish, and you can try to find them in the picture as I go over them. See, ver. Hear, oír. Taste, probar. Feel, tocar o tentar. Smell, oler. Shiny, brilloso. Rough. Rough sería como áspero o algo duro. Smooth, suave. Sweet, dulce. Sour, amargo. Loud, algo ruidoso. Quiet, callados. I'm going to say them one more time, a little quicker, only in English. See, hear, taste, feel, smell, shiny, rough, smooth, sweet, sour, loud, quiet. Okay, we are going to match the word with the picture. If you want to stop, because I'm going to give the answers. Okay, shiny, shiny penny. Rough, a rough rock. Smooth, a smooth stone. Stone es otra palabra para una piedra, rock. Sweet, sweet strawberries. Sour, a sour lemon. loud. A loud drum, tambor. Quiet. Shh. A quiet girl. Mm. Underneath here, we have to find the right word for the picture. Vamos a buscar la palabra correcta para la imagen. Blank, the shiny airplane. Shiny, brilloso, airplane. She sees the shiny airplane. He hears the loud music. She feels the smooth stone. So they should have had an S behind all of these words. Deberían de tener una S detrás de cada una de esas palabras. Okay, here's the next one. So here's just a few more examples of what we just did. Ejemplos de lo que acabamos de hacer. He, miren, este sí pusieron la S. They remembered the S on these. He sees, he tastes, he smells. He tastes the sour lemon. The girl, she's smelling. She smells the sweet flower. He sees the shiny star. There's a star, shiny. La estrella brillosa. Look at the picture. Okay. He hears, el oye, he hears the blank triangle. The blank triangle. This is the triangle. It's an instrument. Es un instrumento musical. He hears the loud triangle. He feels the rough rock. We can say this one for number 3. He smells the flower. He smells the flower. Okay. There we go. Okay. The senses, I'm just going to go over them one more time before I end the video. Taste, touch, sight, smell, and hearing. And you would say, I am smelling, I am seeing, I am tasting, I am hearing, I am touching. And here are the words. I'm not sure why they weren't showing up before. So this is the sense, but this is how you would use it in a sentence. Estos son los sentidos, pero esta es la palabra que usarían para decir la oración.